Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about Frame Widget in a Tkinter. So let's start. Let's add a title to our window. Frame Widget and set some size. Good. Min size. This is the minimum size for our window. And now we are going to create our frame by using tk.frame, and we are going to attach it to our window with a root, and we are going to set the background color. I'll set as yellow, and I'm going to set the height to 500 and width to 500, and just going to call, and we are just going to add a label to our frame. So how we are going to create a label, tk.label, and this time we are going to pass in frame, so it will be attached to our frame. And the text on label, example of frame widget in Tkinter. I'm going to set the background color to be red, and you can also select the font type. I'm just gonna select Calibri, and if your text is long, then you can use the wrap length. Already small, but you can do wrap length such as 400, and we're just going to do pack and run our code. I need to add frame.pack too. So frame. So here is our label on our frame widget. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.